welcome back to
J&K Getaway.
Today we're here at
Universal.
we're gonna go check out the like decent updates for the Carousel. We're gonna go over to the studios, go check out Shrek 4D, which just recently closed.
Sadly, we never even got the chance to come back and ride.
No, we're actually really sad about that. With also Mummy closing up, we're gonna have Mardi Gras coming up soon.
Yep.
I believe what is one of the concerts.
Who was it? Who was it that we wanted to go?
I forget.
Khaled.
Khaled's going to be on a concert at Mardi Gras. That's going to be fun. We're probably going to go there. Yep, we're going to be going. So guys, check us out next time. Thank you for being part of
our getaway. Coffee. And it stayed cold because it's cold as hell outside.
Of course it is. It's freezing. So what's the weather going to be like for today?
Cold, and it said that the sun's supposed to come out, but for most of the morning it's gonna be cloudy.
Gonna be cloudy?
Yeah.
And we're going to Universal. Let's get it. We're going with our friends, right?
Yep.
Okay. Hey Nana, it's gonna be a little cold today.
I'm so happy to be back.
Yeah? We're down to 49% on the battery so far.
With the gimbal?
No. Regular battery. Good thing I charged it all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's already at 5. So it's gonna be like, I feel like there's this techno chicken song, and at the daycare, my kids are obsessed with it. I have about 4 kids that walk around doing this.
Well, apparently there's a meow song that Zach discovered. It's called Meow 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 Meow.
Get you some, guy. Making our way into Seuss Land. We're gonna go check out the carousel, and it is currently closed for a refurb. Today is an extremely cold day here in Orlando. The sun is not out to warm us up. Here in Orlando, we are used to 95-degree heat in the summer, and whenever the temperature drops to below 50, we are freezing. Okay, here's an update. Right by the Caro-Seuss-el. They got all kinds of walking planks, scaffolding. I was trying to think of the word. It is currently closed. They got the fences up for refurb. All around it, I believe that Seuss Land is going to have an overall refurb everywhere. So please expect that. The fences go all the way around. Cat and Hat is open, currently at a 35-minute wait. Even behind the popcorn stand, there you have the fences ready to go. We'll have to give you guys an update about when they might or might not open. We just had lunch at Circus McCircus. I had a bacon cheeseburger. And yeah, we're gonna move on. We're gonna go show you the closing at Shrek 4D. So whenever we arrived here at Universal today, the weather was at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So with the hall being closed, they said that it was closed down due to cold weather. Anything below the wind chill of like 40 degrees, they won't operate. So Hulk was closed. Dr. Doom is still closed. Really, just due to cold weather. So Velocicoaster was open. Hagrid's was open. I don't know why the Hulk and Dr. Doom was closed. So that's another thing.
Hey. Now that would be one that I would get. I want all of them, but they're so stinking expensive.
The only one I would get from Disney would be one that's like.
Yeah, she did. You heard it. You.
Hey, Bo.
Hey, boss.
Hey, Bo.
We out here doing Universal things today.
Really?
Yeah, when I used to go, when I used to race, they'd have guys with drones, and then they'd have these things like mounted to them on a guy that's just riding behind another guy standing there. Christmas was a lot, and they would, they'd grid.
Sure, we'll go with that.
And then the guy behind him would just follow with like a camera and get all the sick. Shut up!
They currently have the parade going on for the children. Despicable Me here in Universal Studios. So currently they have the stage up for Rock the Universe. I don't know what Rock the Universe is. Kenna might have an idea about what Rock the Universe is.
Rock the Universe is basically where a bunch of Christian artists come in and do concerts.
Okay, so that's a first for me. I should have known that, but it is somewhat of a big stage. Currently have fences up for the Animal Kids kid show. I'm not sure. We are now Curious George. They don't have the water on. I don't think they have the water on. Too cold. What do we do if we go up here? So normally they don't have the water on, and so normally you would be up here spraying people, but it is a little bit too cold for the water as Volcano Bay is shut down.
Oh, sick.
Just spraying the kids. But yeah, you'd be up here. Now we're gonna go to the ball factory. Oh shoot, we got a ball.
All right,
Get Joe.
Hold on. Bring it.
So currently at Simpsons, We're gonna go ride some rides here. We're gonna go ride Simpsons Ride, apparently. It's a little bit busy now that the sun has come out. The temperature is rising. We are unthawing currently from earlier.
I walked over there and I just stood there in front of the sun and I baked.
Just baked. It's a little bit warm now, but tomorrow is supposed to be colder. I myself have never tried a Duff beer. One day I will try it, but I'm not the biggest drinker in the world. I don't like drinking all the time. Stated before, we are going to go ride the Simpsons Ride. We're going to go into the mouth of Krusty the Clown. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
Call me, then here I am. All right, you want me? You want? Is there something? What? You want a possession? You want a haunting? What do you want? My rates are very reasonable, dude. Very reasonable.
A small glimpse of what was Shrek 4D. They have fencing up with minions, with bananas, and kind of hinting towards minions. This is a very sad time. I do not like Minions as much as I like Shrek. Shrek was my favorite. Very overhyped. All right, everybody, we just wrapped it up at
Universal.
It's been a few days. Obviously, we're not in the same clothes as we were in the video.
Yeah.
We just would like to send an outro out to you guys. So thank you for being part of our
Getaway.
We will see you guys next time.